border pattern that's all about creating stunning texture with simple stitches and clever weaving. Did you know you can change the audio language for this video? Just go to the video settings and you'll find options for various YouTube audio dubs, including languages like English, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Japanese, Indonesian, and many more. First, we need to draw our stitching grid directly onto the fabric. Using my white erasable pen and a ruler, I'm marking dots with 0.5 centimeter or 5 millimeter gaps. I'm drawing 5 lines of these dots, spaced parallel to each other. This grid is our essential guide for the entire pattern. I'm using the light pink floss and I've separated it into 3 strands for stitching. Before we start, I'm fixing my wooden hoop onto my hoop stand. This is completely optional, but it gives me free hands and helps keep the video clear and steady while I stitch. Let's begin stitching our grid. Using your regular embroidery needle, start by stitching a running stitch along the very center line of your grid, working from left to right. After completing these 3 horizontal lines, we'll stitch running stitches vertically, creating all the boxes within our grid. Once our running stitch grid is complete, it's time for the magic of weaving. Change your needle to a tapestry needle with a blunt point. This needle is perfect because it will glide under and over your stitched threads without splitting them. Starting from the left side, we'll begin our horizontal weaving. Follow my needle closely as I weave a specific wave pattern by going under some running stitches and over others. We'll do this wave pattern weaving from left to right twice. Then we'll switch to vertical weaving, going through our horizontal running stitches, again using a specific over and under pattern. This is where those beautiful diamond and star shapes really start to appear. Take your time, and soon you'll have these elegant diamond shapes filling your grid. It looks intricate, but it's very satisfying once you get the rhythm. This elegant border is incredibly versatile for decorating any garment or fabric item. A sophisticated trim along a neckline, sleeve cuffs, or the hem of a skirt. A unique texture detail on a tote bag or clutch. I hope you enjoyed learning this beautiful hand embroidery border today. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and follow Handiworks for more creative stitching adventures. Happy stitching!